This is Tugs. Even so, he eventually drew level and started to overtake them. The logs were sweeping aside anything in their path. Puffa got ahead just before he reached Uptown Pier and began hooting warnings of the disaster about to hit the quayside. The logs had slowed a fraction on the riverbeds. Puffa continued whistling urgently as he came into Uptown Docks, where
yeah, some days I feel unfazed, like when I'm with my friends with a cup raised. Come Monday, I got a gun raised, suicidal do or die until hump day. Then I go right back at it like an automatic. More drinks, more songs, more beats to rap. I need a shrink, I'm gone, more time keeps passing. No watch, no thoughts at all, just a hat, new era. Rep my P's and those O's, need the Phillies with the orange and black to feel home. From Citizen Bank back to Camden Yards, it's a tale of two cities, and trust we go hard, trust we go hard, yes we go hard, you said we go hard.
You promised Veggie Tales!
Away!